Hello everyone, welcome to my first YouTube channel. And in this video, I am going to tell you that how you can start your UPSC journey as a beginner. So let's get started with the video. So as you all have very basic questions like after passing the 10th and the 12th class, so is it right time to take admission in the coaching or not? And which coaching is best for me according to my budget? So the another query is yours, that is which mode is best for me, online mode or offline mode. So if you are living in Delhi, so you should take admission in offline mode, but you are not living in Delhi and you are very serious for UPSC, so you can take online mode. So let's talk about the solution. As I am also a UPSC aspirant and I took admission in the January month 2025, and according to my personal experience I will share you that which time is best for taking admission in the UPSC coaching. So after passing 10th or 12th, is it right time to take admission in the UPSC coaching? As I also took admission just after 12th, and I took admission in the study IQ coaching. For me, it is best for me. And which coaching is best for you according to your budget? So according to my experience or my budget, I took admission in the study IQ. Why? Because in study IQ, the facilities or the qualities are very good. And when I take admission in study IQ, I can't speak in English and I can't understand English. So in study IQ, I already said that sir, I can't speak English or I can't understand English. So if the sir gives lecture in English, so I can't understand all the things. So in study IQ, the sir is saying that if you can't understand the things, you can ask many times in call or face to face. The sir give you lecture in English, means Hindi plus English. As there are many coachings in the Karol Bagh, Drishti, Vajiram or Vision, PW only IS. I took demo in all the coaching, but I thought that study IQ is the best for me. That's why I took admission in that. And which mode is best for you, online mode or offline mode? So as I already shared, if you are living in Delhi, so the best option is that please take admission in offline mode. And if you thinking that no, I should take the online batch, so I suggest you that please purchase a course from PW only IS course. Is best for you in online mode. In this channel, you will get so many things, so many information for your preparation. For example, I will share my notes, books, PDFs, and the perfect strategy. And I also give you the directions that how you can start your study with the basic NCERT books. So please subscribe my channel if you like, and I will share all the PYQ questions plus important questions of each chapter. And I have many books PDF, question banks, prelims plus mains, both I have of all the chapters. So if you want the PDF or the question banks, I will share you only when you subscribe my channel and like my video. So please subscribe my channel, and if you have any questions or query, so you can ask me in the comment section. I will reply as soon as possible. So thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.